Alright, so I just primed the carb. I disconnected this charger. It's just disconnected, but it's still on. But well, we are just gonna see if this thing will fire up. I just put this flex fan on, and I wanted it closer, but between spacers and bolt lengths, I couldn't make it happen. But yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen here. Late night, 11 o'clock. Might piss off the neighbors just a tad, but they're all pissed off at other shit right now, so who gives a fuck? I'm just gonna do it. Let's boot stomp this bitch and see what happens. Oh, no juice. Battery reconnected. Oh. There we go. We got lights, we got life.